I'm sick of this shit advice all over YouTube. This is 15 years of music know-how, condensed into as little time as possible, so get ready and learn how to sidechain the pro way. Let's learn how to sidechain using a MIDI trigger and the Shaperbox volume shaper. This is the third video in our sidechain series. I highly recommend watching the other two first. We start by adding a Midi Out to our channel rec. We change the port to any number, let's do 4. Copy your kick pattern to the Midi Out. Next, we insert the Shaperbox effect on the sidechain channel. Select volume and change the settings from beat synced to MIDI one-shot beat. To link our MIDI output with the Shaperbox, we go to the settings and change the input port to the same number as before, in our case 4. We also change the loop length from 1 bar to 1/8. This is true for double time projects, otherwise go with 1/4. Let's select the docking preset and change the curve so that the volume stays at 100% at the end. Adjust the beginning to get rid of any clicking sound that occurs when the volume change is too fast. Improve the curve to achieve the desired effect. For me, I try to maximize the volume shown in the oscilloscope and set it pretty aggressively. If the kick has a long sustain, we can also trim the kick for better sidechaining results. For that, we drag and drop the shaper effect on the kick channel. Go to the trimming presets and select the third one and change it slightly for better results. Notice that the oscilloscope is much smoother now that we tighten up the kick. Since the oscilloscope still shows that there are some phase issues, I tried to flip the polarity on the bass, and in this case it helped a lot. Out of all the 3 methods that we have covered so far, this is by far the best result.